Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bull trend or bearish reversal signal? What's going on with the stock market world on a daily time frame? As usually, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's time for V-Ball. Let's start V-Ball, index chart, Dow Jones. Looks like it did gap down and it was sell off in the morning, and after that it was kind of rebound. It was in the buy mode all day long. Same huge recovery, right? Huge recovery from the huge sell-off. S&P 500 similar, huge sell-off, huge recovery. And Nasdaq, huge sell-off and huge recovery. They all recovered from the same level, right? You see it opened this level and it even closed at the same level. Everything that it left gap down. Whatever was gap down. Yeah, you see they recovered all lows during the day. All lows during the day recovered. And also only left gap down. Okay. Let's start. Let's move to my charts. Let's move to my watch list. And we will do, as usually, technical analysis review. If you want to learn more about V-Ball setup, just go to the description. There is the link about V-Ball setup chart and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, white line MA200, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5. It's a USA dollar daily time frame. I use daily time frame for entry and exit position. Also MACD indicator, RSI indicators lines, and awesome oscillator. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved, but if you follow the indicators, you will be successful. Let me briefly mention how it works, right? When you see when bars MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, right? This cross, bearish crossover, it's entry position for short. When bars below MA5, it is bearish trend. When bars above 5, it is bullish trend. You see the bullish trend. Now, last 3 bars were below MA5. Last bar, it bounced from MA10, it connected to MA200. MA200 can be strong resistance, same like here. Now it's a resistant, MA200 in the resistant territory. Same like here, it was rejected from 200, rejected from 200, rejected here from 200. We'll see, this time it will be rejected from 200, or finally it will do bullish crossover. It's absolutely possible that it can do bullish crossover. All indicators still bullish. It is fight with MA200. So far it's below in the dollar is positive, right? Today plus %. It's a bullish and bearish for equities. Let's move to Qs. Let's start Qs. Qs daily time frame. Let me maximize it a little bit. Make it bigger and nicer picture. Okay. Last bar, MA5 and 10 below 20. It is bearish, confirmed bearish reversal trend. MACD, RSI, all indicators bearish on daily time frame for Qs. 4 hours time frame, same MA5, 10 and bars below 20. It is bearish trend on all indicators. 1 hour time frame, it was nice sell-off today, like I told you. It did gap down and it did recovery. And all indicators even switched to positive mode, but last bar still below 20. It is still in the bearish territory. Still in the bearish territory. Now let's move to VXN volatility index for Qs plus 1.25%. Still bullish on all indicators. It's negative for Qs. S&P 500 daily time frame. You see MA5 did bearish crossover in last bar below 5 and 20. Bearish trend, all indicators bearish. Still bearish trend for S&P 500. It left gap. Still bearish trend. Let's see 4 hours time frame. Confirmed bearish trend. It left gap down. At the same time, MA5, 10 and bars below all moving averages. Bearish trend on all indicators. On 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, it was nice sell-off, very negative, and nice recovery to the same level and gap still in the plate. Maybe it will continue bounce, will close the gap, and after that it will be reversal. So far it's a bullish reversal on 1 hour time frame. Now let's move to VIX volatility index for S&P 500. It is still positive, bullish, and it's negative for S&P 500. When VIX is positive, it's negative for S&P 500. Dow Jones daily. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Still last bar, still about 20. Still in the positive territory. Bearish reversal signal on MACD, on RSI. All indicators bearish reversal signal. But still last bar, still about 20. Not confirmed bearish reversal trend on daily time frame. On 4 hours time frame, it's already confirmed bearish reversal signal, right? Because all bars and MA5 and 10 below 20. Bearish reversal on all indicators. 1 hour time frame, it's different. Gap down, nice sell-off, and nice recovery. And it stopped at the 20 level. Similar like other indexes, it can bounce tomorrow or overnight session in the futures, bounce, close the gap, and after that it will do sell-off. We'll see. Bullish reversal on 1 hour time frame. VXD volatility index for Dow Jones, it's still positive and it is negative for Dow Jones. IWM daily. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar closed below 20. Fully bearish crossover, bearish reversal, confirmed bearish reversal trend. All indicators bearish. 4 hours time frame for Russell 2000 for IWM. MA5 and 10, bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal. And 1 hour time frame. Similar like all indexes, it did gap down, sell off, and nice rebound. Still left the gap. It didn't close fully the gap. It can continue bounce, close the gap, and will continue bearish. Will connect back to 20 and will be rejected. We'll see. Apple. Let's move to Apple. Today Apple is daily time frame. It's a green bar, very light positive bar, half percent bar. Still bearish, still last bar disconnected from MA5, 10. Still bearish trend, confirmed bearish reversal signal on all indicators. 4 hours time frame. Last bar still disconnected from 10 and 20. It touched 200 and looks like 200 strong support, and it wants to bounce from it. Still bearish trend. And 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it did kind of bounce, bullish bounce, bullish reversal, right, on 1 hour time frame. Still below 20, still in the bearish territory. Now let's move to Tesla. Tesla daily time frame, confirmed bearish trend, bearish trend on all indicators on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, same, MA5, 10, and bars below 20, bearish trend on all indicators, and 1 hour time frame, bearish trend, bearish territory, but it's nice positive bullish recovery on 1 hour time frame. Still below 200, still bearish, but positive signal on 1 hour time frame. BABA, Alibaba Group. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, last bar close below 20, gap down, bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, MA5 and 10 and bars below 20, bearish trend with gap down, bearish trend on all indicators. And on 1 hour time frame, it is kind of, it did gap down and it did try to recover something. Still bearish on all indicators, only awesome oscillator green. Still last bar below 10. Above 5, but below 10. Now let's move to NVIDIA. NVIDIA daily time frame. Last bar below all moving averages, bearish reversal signal on all indicators. On daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, same, last bar below all moving averages, it is bearish crossover. And 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's fighting between MA200 and 20. Yeah, MA20 strong support and MA20 strong resistance, MA200 white line strong support, and it is in the fight mode. Looks like it wants to do bearish crossover over 200, and after that it can be nice bearish run. So far it's still in the fight mode. Now let's move to Microsoft. Microsoft daily time frame. Confirmed bearish reversal signal, MA5 and 10 below 20, and last bar also below all moving averages except 200. Bearish trend on all indicators on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, bearish trend, last bar below 5, 10 and 20, bearish trend on all indicators. And 1 hour time frame, bearish trend, it did sell off, it did gap down, and it did bounce for last 4 hours. Bounce still bearish below 10 and 20. Amazon. Let's start Amazon daily time frame. Amazon still in a positive territory. After the earnings, it did huge gap up, 8% gap up. Still in a positive bullish trend, still disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20. Still bullish with bearish divergences, right? Bearish divergences on all indicators. Indefinitely Amazon wants to have correction, but so far it's still bullish. 4 hours time frame, still bullish trend on all indicators. Last bar moved below MA5, but still bullish, still about 10 and 20, disconnected from 10 and 20. And 1 hour time frame, bearish crossover, MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 20. Now it's in the confirmed bearish reversal signal on all indicators on 1 hour time frame. Still huge gap down. Still huge gap down. 1 hour time frame. Okay, now let's do summary. All equities and indexes on my watch list, they all bearish on daily and 4 hours time frame. No changes, bearish reversal trend. Only on 1 hour time frame, they all did kind of bounce recovery. We'll see, that's what we are expecting. 1 hour time frame, very volatile, very flexible. It can change direction a couple times during the day. It's expected, and especially remember, it is still bullish market on larger time frame, like weekly, monthly, it is still bullish. That's why investors, they are still positive, they are still bullish. They're in the mode to buy every single dip. They will buy every single dip until market will change direction to bearish completely on weekly time frame, or some trigger will change direction to bearish trend on weekly time frame, weekly and monthly. So far it is still positive, you see. And that's what we observe. Still positive on weekly, but daily it's already in the bearish reversal signal. All indexes, all indicators, all equities in my watch list, and only bullish on 1 hour time frame. Even not bullish, it's kind of it's a bounce, bullish bounce, but not confirmed, because remember, it is still in the bearish territory and still below 20. Whatever is below 20, it is still bearish. Even all indicators positive. That's what we have. That's all. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not an investment or financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purposes, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get constantly profitable at least for 6 months. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye traders.